Looking for the perfect kitchen companion? The best blender for smoothies and ice makes every drink creamy, smooth, and refreshing. Powerful, durable, and easy to use, it turns fruits and ice into delicious beverages in seconds. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Blender for Smoothies and Ice. The Ninja Blender for Smoothies and Ice is a compact powerhouse designed for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, nutritious drinks at home or on the go. With its 700-watt pulse technology, this personal blender effortlessly handles fruits, vegetables, and ice, allowing you to create smoothies, shakes, or even sauces in seconds. One standout feature is its nutrient extraction capability, which ensures you get the maximum vitamins and minerals from whole fruits and vegetables, even those portions you might usually discard. This ensures every drink is both flavorful and packed with nutrition. The frozen blending function is another highlight, easily crushing ice and frozen ingredients to deliver resort-style drinks that feel indulgent yet healthy. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or countertop use, and intuitive controls mean anyone can operate it without a learning curve. The single-serve 16-ounce cup allows for convenient blending and drinking without extra dishes, perfect for busy mornings or on-the-go lifestyles. Cleaning is simple as all BPA-free parts are dishwasher safe, giving users peace of mind. Additionally, the included 50-recipe guide inspires creativity, providing ideas for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks. Overall, the Ninja Blender for Smoothies and Ice combines versatility, power, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for anyone wanting a reliable personal blender that delivers consistent results quickly and efficiently, while keeping health and ease of use in mind. Number 2. Ninja 1000W Blender for Smoothies and Ice. The Ninja 1000W Blender for Smoothies and Ice is built for performance and durability, offering 1000 watts of professional power to crush ice, pulverize tough ingredients, and produce creamy, smooth beverages every time. Its XL 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for families or entertaining, accommodating multiple servings of smoothies, frozen drinks, and blended recipes in one batch. The total crushing technology ensures that even the hardest ice or whole fruits and vegetables are thoroughly blended within seconds, delivering a consistent texture without chunks. This blender is also designed for ease of use, with intuitive controls that let you choose the speed or program suited to your recipe. Beyond smoothies, the Ninja 1000W supports versatile culinary needs, from frozen cocktails to nut butters and sauces, expanding its utility beyond just drinks. The included recipe guide provides inspiration, encouraging users to experiment with creative flavors and combinations while ensuring success every time. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the BPA-free pitcher, which is top-rack dishwasher safe, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Additionally, its sturdy design ensures longevity, even with frequent use, making it a dependable choice for households that rely on consistent blending performance. For anyone seeking a professional-grade blender that balances power, capacity, and convenience, the Ninja 1000W Blender for Smoothies and Ice delivers an outstanding performance that meets both daily and entertaining needs without compromising quality or ease of use. Number 3. Ninja BN701 Blender for Smoothies and Ice. The Ninja BN701 Blender for Smoothies and Ice takes blending to a professional level with its 1,400 peak watt motor and advanced auto IQ technology. Compared to previous Ninja models, this blender offers more power, making it ideal for creating perfectly crushed ice, frozen drinks, and smooth, creamy beverages in seconds. Its total crushing blades ensure uniform blending, producing a consistent texture whether you are working with frozen fruits, ice, or tougher ingredients. The 72-ounce XL pitcher is perfect for families or entertaining, allowing multiple servings to be prepared at once, though the 64-ounce liquid max capacity ensures safe operation. The Auto IQ programs take the guesswork out of blending, providing preset timed pulsing and blending patterns that deliver professional results without constant monitoring. Beyond smoothies, this blender can make frozen drinks, ice cream, and even sauces, giving it versatile functionality for various culinary needs. The 15 Recipe Inspiration Guide encourages users to explore new combinations and creative drinks, making it easier to get started and expand flavor possibilities. BPA-free dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and hassle-free, while the modern, ergonomic design fits comfortably in any kitchen. The The Ninja BN701 blender combines high power, smart technology, and user-friendly design, making it a perfect choice for anyone serious about creating smooth, flavorful beverages quickly. With its reliability and efficiency, it is ideal for both everyday use and entertaining guests, offering a seamless, enjoyable blending experience. Number 4. Ninja 1500W Blender for Smoothies and Ice. The Ninja 1500W Blender for Smoothies and Ice is designed for users seeking professional-grade performance in a home blender. With its powerful 1,500-watt motor, it can crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and handle tough ingredients with ease, producing smooth and creamy beverages every time. The XL 72-ounce pitcher accommodates large batches, making it perfect for family use or entertaining, while its total crushing technology ensures ice is pulverized to snow-like consistency for resort-style drinks. This model also provides on-the-go convenience with two 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups and to-go lids, ideal for personal shakes or smoothies during a busy morning routine. Its versatility extends beyond beverages. The blender includes an 8-cup food processor capability with chopping and dough blades, allowing users to mix dough, chop vegetables, and puree ingredients quickly and evenly. 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve allow precise control over the blending process, making it adaptable to different recipes and needs. Cleaning is simple, with BPA-free dishwasher-safe parts that make post-use maintenance effortless. The Ninja blade system features 4 specialized blades optimized for various tasks, ensuring consistent, high-quality results every time. Whether crushing ice for cocktails, preparing smoothies, or tackling food prep, the Ninja 1500W blender delivers unmatched power, versatility, and convenience, making it an exceptional addition to any kitchen. It combines professional performance with user-friendly features, perfect for anyone who wants high-quality, consistent results without the hassle of multiple appliances. Number 5. Aeitto Blender for Smoothies and Ice. The Aeitto Blender for Smoothies and Ice stands out with its impressive 1,800W peak power, capable of effortlessly handling even the toughest blending tasks. From smoothies and soups to nut butters, this high-performance blender minimizes wait time while preserving the nutrients in your ingredients. Its large 68 ounces BPA-free jar is ideal for family meals or entertaining guests, while still suitable for personal use. The Smart 3+7 program control simplifies operation with preset functions for smoothies, juices, and crushed ice, complemented by 7 adjustable speeds for precise texture control. Users can experiment with a wide range of recipes, thanks to the versatile functions that make meal preparation effortless. The one-touch auto-clean feature makes hygiene maintenance simple. Just add water and detergent, and the blender cleans itself in 30 seconds. All detachable parts, except the motor base, are dishwasher safe, further saving time and effort. The LED display panel provides real-time monitoring of speed, time, and program status, ensuring precise control at every step. With its sturdy design, high-capacity jar, and multifunctional capabilities, the Aeitto blender is ideal for busy households, health-conscious users, or anyone who enjoys creating a wide variety of blended recipes quickly. It combines raw power, user-friendly technology, and convenient cleaning features, making it a standout choice in the crowded blender market. Whether for smoothies, frozen drinks, or meal prep, the Aeitto blender consistently delivers exceptional results while supporting a modern, efficient lifestyle. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.